Episode number 12 of the Insurance Awareness series by Mr. Deepak Godbole. The marine industry has the logistical responsibilities of transporting and protecting goods and valuable assets. Hence, marine insurance becomes important. Marine insurance covers the loss or damage of ships, cargo, terminals, and any transport by which the property is transferred, acquired, or held between the points of origin and the final destination. Cargo insurance is the sub-branch of marine insurance. The types of shipments are domestic shipment where cargo is transported between two places within the country. Import shipments, bringing into India goods by land, sea or air. Export shipment means taking out of country any goods by land, sea or air. And third country shipment means transportation of cargo between two foreign countries. There are various types of marine insurance covers. Hull insurance covers physical damage to the ship or vessel itself, including its machinery and equipment. This coverage is essential for shipowners, protecting against hazards such as collision, fire, piracy, etc. Cargo insurance is the most common form of marine insurance, covering loss or damage to goods while in transit by sea, air, road, or rail transport connected to the marine journey. Coverage can vary from all risks to more limited forms, such as wider cover to basic cover under Institute Cargo Clauses A, B and C respectively. Liability insurance, also known as protection and indemnity (P&I), liability insurance provides coverage for the shipowner's legal liabilities arising from the operation of the ship, such as damage to cargo, not covered under cargo insurance, injury, or death of crew members or passengers, and environmental pollution. Under freight insurance, the shipper or carrier is protected against the loss of freight revenue that would not be earned due to lost or damaged cargo. It is particularly relevant for shipping companies and charterers. Due to the unique risks posed by armed conflicts, war risk insurance offers coverage against damage or loss caused by war-related perils, including strikes, riots, civil commotions, and terrorist acts that are typically excluded from standard policies. Loss of hire insurance provides compensation to the shipowner for loss of income when a vessel cannot be operated due to covered damage or peril, ensuring financial stability during repair or recovery periods. Marine insurance coverage is highly customizable, allowing policyholders to tailor their coverage based on the specific risks associated with their maritime operations or cargo. Several stakeholders are eligible for marine insurance, including manufacturers, importers and exporters, cargo owners, buying agents and buyers. In most cases, the contracts come with an obligation that the sender should have marine insurance. Therefore, sender needs to take out marine insurance to fulfill the agreement's terms and conditions, such as carriage and insurance paid, CIP, or cost insurance and freight, CIF. Perils of the seas means fortuitous accidents or casualties of the seas but does not include ordinary action of the wind and waves. General exclusions in marine cargo insurance are planned or intentional damage or misconduct, riots, strikes, and war damages, damage due to inadequate packaging of the cargo, delays in transportation and associated costs, wear and tear or leakage of the cargo, insolvency or financial distress of a shipping company, and removal of wreck. Different types of marine cargo insurance policies are: specific policy covers the single specific shipment only during the policy period. Open policy, the agreement between a proposer and an insurer to insure all goods in transit falling within that agreement for a period of time or even indefinitely until the agreement is cancelled by either party. Full premium is collected in advance and adjusted on annual declared value of annual shipments. Open cover is an agreement between the proposer and the insurer. The proposer agrees to buy cargo insurance for all their cargoes whenever they have an obligation to insure, and the insurer agrees to provide cargo protection for the proposer. Premium is charged as declarations of shipments are made. Cargo can be of different types and transported in peculiar ways. General cargo would include furniture, spare parts, leather goods, footwear, etc. Machineries would mean standard size in containers. Oversize in bulk or open-top containers. Liquid bulk cargo is crude oil, edible oil, etc. And dry bulk cargo means coal, grain, ore, and other products in loose form. Marine insurance offers help in mitigating risks, ensuring business continuity and global coverage. Await more information on risk management and insurance through this Risk Management and Insurance Awareness Initiative by Mr. Deepak Godbole.